Let's start a fire. First step, I stop using lighter fluid. It's expensive. Yes, it ignites pretty fast, but because of that same reason, it's extremely dangerous. And because lighter fluid ignites and burns too fast, if the wood is too thick, you'll have to be pouring a whole bunch of lighter fluid on it because it's going to take a while to burn through the wood. You want something that'll burn slowly and for a while. In my case, I put away old cooking oil that was previously used for the deep fryer. Instead of disposing it, I safely store it and use it to start fires. First thing, cut up some pieces of wood. Place the biggest pieces on the bottom. Then I place a piece of napkin in between the wood, which makes a gap in the center of the napkin. I like to put another piece of napkin inside the gap. Then I pour a small amount of cooking oil to allow the napkin to soak. I leave enough space available so I can reach in to light up the soaked napkin. You'll see that the napkins are burning slowly. This is because of the oil. And because it's burning slowly, the wood comes in contact with the fire and will soon burn too. So this is how I start my fires without lighter fluid. Remember to be safe and be careful when starting fires. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.